Hello everyone. I know this has been a month, but don't sub to this dude. He's been threatening Eli and making death threats towards people, and worst of all, he's also catfishing people, pretending to be a girl, and he tricked people, and it's not nice. If you ever see him on his YouTube channel, don't subscribe to him. Please. It's for your safety and everyone else's safety. I know there are some people out there who might not understand it, but this dude deserves quite a lot of a hate right now. And first of all, of him making death threats to my friends, and he also broke the truce with one of my friends, so he deserves a punishment that is suitable for him. That is losing his subscribers. And his subscribers. Give me a second. Anyway, I wouldn't subscribe to this dude. Because last time he's let's just say things didn't go very well. And things didn't go very well. Yeah, this dude deserves a lot of punishment. Sent the third production closure, third production closure, yeah, unsubscribe from him. Bye.